In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log into Jira and manage your tasks using the bulk change feature. This process is incredibly useful for managing multiple issues simultaneously, saving you a lot of time and effort. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser. Google Chrome works incredibly well for this, and navigate over to Jira. Once you're there, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you will need to create one, but assuming you do, just enter your username and password and you'll be all set. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the filters menu, just hover over it, and you'll see an option that says View All Issues. Click on that. This section is like your main hub for keeping track of all the tasks and issues you're working on. Whether you're overseeing a big project with lots of little components or focusing on a few key tasks, this is where you'll find them. Now, once you've got your list of issues in front of you, you can start searching for or filtering the specific issues you want to update. This is the segment where you can really start personalizing what you're looking for, whether it's based on status, assignee, or any other criteria. Take a moment to get your list exactly how you need it. With your filtered list in view, it's time to select the issues you want to make changes to. To do this, just tick the checkboxes beside each of the issues. It's important to ensure you're selecting every issue you want to update because the next step will apply changes to all of the selected items. Next, we'll move on to the bulk change feature. At the very top, you'll see a More menu represented by 3 dots. Click on it and there should be an option labeled Bulk Change, followed by the number of issues you've selected. This part of Jira is immensely powerful because it allows you to make alterations across multiple entries simultaneously. From the options provided in the bulk change menu, you'll be choosing transition issues. This option gives you the ability to move these issues to a new status, which is ideal for progress, tracking, or updating project timelines. Now you'll need to select the new status for your issues. Whether you're transitioning issues from to do to in progress or from in progress to done, simply choose the status that aligns with where these tasks currently are in their workflow. Finally, all that's left is to review your selections. Just take a last glance to ensure everything looks good. When you're ready, click on the Confirm button. At this point, Jira will update all the selected issues with your new changes, and there you have it. You've successfully used the bulk change feature to update multiple issues in Jira, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.